Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Garnet Reid, president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, has thrown his endorsement behind a new financial method for small businesses. A micro market will be established on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Finance Minister Favour Williams made the announcement during budget debate on Tuesday. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has identified over 250 micro and small businesses that do not meet the $50 million threshold for listing on the junior market. Minister Williams said that the micro market is expected to give added structure to more businesses as well as aid in growth and access to equity capital. She said a technical working committee to guide the process will be announced soon, with meetings to start early in the new fiscal year. The committee will be made up of stakeholders from the JSE, the Ministry of Finance, private sector security dealers, Companies Office of Jamaica, and the legal fraternity. Rohan Scott, a realtor, and Assistant Commissioner of Police, Anthony McLaughlin, agree that there has been an increase in the use of social media to scam would-be tenants seeking places to rent in recent times. Describing how the scam works to RJR News, Mr. Scott said scammers will hijack property listings and then turn them into a post on social media platforms and then collect down payments from prospective tenants. After prospects make deposit payments, the scammers then block the numbers and vanish without handing over the property keys. Caribbean Airlines launches daily flights between Montego Bay and Fort Lauderdale. The inaugural flight took off on March 11. CEO of Caribbean Airlines, Gavin Moreda, told RJR News that this is more than just a travel route. The service represents a crucial link for over 300,000 Jamaicans living in Fort Lauderdale and surrounding areas. The airline's expansion also includes an increase in service between Kingston and Fort Lauderdale. The route now has daily flights, shifting from the usual 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. With these additions, Caribbean Airlines will offer a total of 1,323 seats weekly between Fort Lauderdale and both Montego Bay and Kingston. For the trading period ending March 12, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Investment house JMMB Group Limited 10% variable rate Jamaican dollar preference shares with 21,519,512 units traded represented 41.83% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 6,975,975 units traded, representing 13.56% of market sales volume. Food and finance conglomerate Grace Kennedy Limited with 5,207,964 units traded, representing 10.12% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 12, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $66.01 million purchased and US $64.77 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.86 per dollar, selling the US at $157.70 and buying the US at $155.84. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 96 cents per transactions, with selling at $109.68 and buying at $108.72. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.47 in profits, with selling at $205.53 and buying at $197.06. For our credit report tip of the day, divorce can take a toll, not just emotionally, but financially. If your credit took a hit, rebuilding isn't just about getting back on your feet. It's about creating new opportunities for wealth. A strong credit score can open doors to multiple streams of income. Here's how. Invest in stock market opportunities. Some brokers offer margin accounts that allow credit-worthy investors to leverage their funds for bigger gains. Alternatively, you can secure vendor credit for an e-commerce business. A strong credit profile helps obtain inventory on net 30 or net 60 payment terms. Now, when you're rebuilding from nothing to something and you're going after the goals of financial resilience and recovery, to the world, the outside world, you may seem accomplished. You've built a career, a business, or a reputation that commands respect. But inside, many professional women over the age of 45 might be wrestling with imposter syndrome, feeling like you haven't done enough, aren't as knowledgeable as people think, or you don't belong in certain rooms. One of the ways to get over this is attending networking and industry events. Here's why. First, you can position yourself for promotions. Visibility at industry events signals leadership readiness. Also, attending these events enhances your brand. Photos, content, and takeaways from events add credibility to your online presence. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.